Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a spring look. Spring makes me think of peaches and pinks and greens, and so here we are with peaches and pinks and greens. And I did go ahead and start with the Haus Labs. I have mine in shade 70. And then I did go ahead and use, as far as my bronzer, the NYX, and this is the Butta bronzer here. So this is what I have. And then the Buttermilk blush, and ooh, yeah, got some. There we go. So you know Butta. So this is what this one is, and so that's what I have on as far as the cheeks. As far as the highlighters, I kind of mixed them together today. I started with the Glamlite Scooby bronzer, and I went ahead and used this one on the top. And then I went ahead and used the Daybreak, by Revlon at shade 201. And I also put it right around here, so it gave me a little bit of a glow right around there. As far as lips today, I went ahead and used one of the Joy Bright ones. And these are, well, they were over at Ulta in a pack during the holidays, so that's what I have on there. Went ahead and topped it off with one of the Adept, let's see, these are their lip glosses, so actually let's add a little bit more in. So yeah, this is the Adept gloss and the Joy Bright lipstick. So doing something that's more spring. More spring. We need more spring. And let's see, what else did I do? The regulars. Went ahead and used the Make Me Brow by Essence, and then the Panorama Mascara by Loreal. And then I did pick up the Rick and Morty palette by Glamlite, and everybody said that this was such a good palette and that you shouldn't miss it, and so I went back and picked it up. And it's a really pretty color story. It's very new to me. As far as what I did today, I went ahead and used some of this to about midway in the crease, and then from midway to the end of the crease, I went ahead and used purple. I also used some of this on the outer corner, some of this, and this would be right on the inner corner, and then right on the center of the lid, I went ahead and used the gold. As far as, and I used this one for the inner corner from here to here, and then here to here. So, went ahead and played with a lot of the spring, the really bright colors, and this is Rainbow Palette, and it's just beautiful. The mattes are buttery, and the shimmers are just really pretty. Really, really pretty. This is how the look came out. So that's how that came out. And let me see, what else did I do? Just a little bit of the Pretty Fresh for the concealer as well. Oh, and the Handiyan as far as, the gel eyeliner. So there we go. Turned into really pink purple kind of look. And I'm kind of like doing these, this combination just works so well, and it just, it makes you feel almost tropical in a kind of way. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. And I guess that's about the video for today. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.